Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in a recent Twitter post, I posted a quick video of how a simple trick can get you some channels over the air on any TV. If you have any TV and you're trying to get channels over the air on the antenna and you just need something right now and you don't have anything, you can use something very simple to get some channels, and that is a paperclip. Just a simple paperclip. It can be big like this one, it can be small like this one, and there are other things you can use also, just as long as it fits in the coax port. Okay, so first off, I wanted to go ahead and see if I could find any channels without an antenna, without anything connected to the actual TV itself. So let's go ahead and see if any channels can be found just by itself. Skip the cable TV part. No channels were found. Okay, so what we'll go ahead and do is try the paperclip and see if we get channels then. Take the shorter end here and we're going to put it in my coax port here. So as you can see, this is the coax here. I'm just going to go ahead and pop it into the center here. Let's see if I can get it in there. Not as easy as it looks to do this with one hand and a phone. Okay, so there it is. It's in there. And now we're going to go ahead and do this thing again and see if we get some channels. So let's go ahead and search. Now I do have a Roku TV, so if you have a Roku-based TV, it'll look very similar to this. So one thing I will say with this is do not expect miracles. Don't expect to get a bunch of channels, but say you do have a television station that is not far from your house or not far from where you are, you probably will be able to get that channel. And this is just a free way to get something to watch. So if you do have if you use mostly streaming services and you wanted to watch network television, then this would be the cheapest way to go. But you can use an antenna if you wanted to purchase one. And you can use older antennas for the previous analog over-the-air channels. It'll work just fine. So this is taking a little bit. We're going to give this a chance. I'm going to skip the cable TV because we don't have any of those channels. But as you can see, 19! You can now watch live TV broadcasts. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what we have. We have channel 4. Now some of these may not come in as good as they could. 4.2. 4.3, 12.1.
Back to the Twin Cities.
And so that one is coming in really well.
Operate as an independent operator.
That's coming in very nicely.
Hotel room.
So as you may have seen, some of the channels didn't come in very well. And you may have that issue too, where you have some that have digital artifacts and they're just not coming in as well as they could. So one old school way to get more channel, or to help get the channels working properly, was to use aluminum foil. And that was how we did it back in the day. So let's go ahead and see if that makes a difference for that specific channel that I had, channel 4. And we're going to add this piece of aluminum foil to the paperclip. And again, this is something you probably have around your house that could help. So let's try it out. And here we have it. So here's the piece of aluminum foil added onto the paperclip. Not cute, not a very pretty solution, but I will show you now that the channels that I was having issues with previously come in just fine. No more digital artifacts. It's actually streaming just fine. And the same for the other channels that were associated with Channel 4, all coming in just fine. So that's one additional thing you can do. If you're getting those little digital artifacts, just add a piece of aluminum foil to it. So there you have it. You have a quick and easy way to get some channels on your TV. And this actually picked up quite a few. So, if you're in a bind and you really wanted to watch something on broadcast television and you have a paperclip, try it out. See what channels you get. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps. Please leave me a like if you like the video, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.